With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is two identical balls P and Q moving in xy plane collide at the origin at x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 of the coordinate system, and their velocity component just before the momentum of impact were for ball P, Vx velocity in x direction is 6 meter per second and velocity in y is 0, and for P4 the Q is velocity is minus 5 meter per second and velocity of y is 2 meter per second. As the result of the collision, ball P comes to the rest and the velocity component of the ball Q just after the collision will be ABCD options are given here. So we have to find the correct option. So the solution of this question is, we have the external force acting on the balls is 0. So from this we can say that we can apply here Newton's third law, that is initial momentum must be equals to final momentum. So initial momentum is m1 u1 plus m2 u2, and this is m1 v1 plus m2 v2, and we have the ball of identical. So we can write here mass m is u1 plus u2, and if we take mass here common, so this is v1 plus v2. So this and this will cancel out here. So we get u1 plus u2 is equals to v1 plus v2, so that we can write here initial velocity is equals to final velocity. So from this, we for the x direction we get velocity is 6 plus minus 5. So this is 0 plus velocity in x direction. So this will become 1 meter per second, as finally it will become 0, and this is velocity in x direction. And for the y direction, we have initially it is 0, then it will become 2 as it is given to us in the question, and it is 0, then it is 2, and after the collision it is 0, and velocity in y direction is 2 meter per second. So this is the answer for this question. Now we check which option is correct here. Velocity of x is in x direction is 1 meter per second and velocity of y is in y direction is 2 meter per second. So B and D are correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.